So it's either your family is monogamous or it's polygamous, but your family will always have an extended family irregardless of where you are coming from. Hazvina basa kuti muri kugara pabarika polygamous family kana kuti mama nadhedhi vangori 2 chete, kureva kuti monogamous family. Muchange muine inonzi extended family. Yatiri kuona pano an extended family. Vana sekuru, vana mbuya, vana vazukuru, vana mainini, vana bamukuru, vana bamunini, vana maiguru, hama dzedu dzese ndo inenge ichinzi chi extended family. So an extended family is a family that includes grandparents, ndo vana mbuya na sekuru, aunts, vana tete, uncles, vana sekuru, cousins, vakoma, vaning'ina, hazvanzi, all living together or close by. So here we have a family including grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins, all living together or close by. Saka we always have this case. Pama holiday, patinoenda kumusha, we become an extended family. Kana kuti panomboya vaning'ina vedu nehazvanzi dzedu kuholiday kumba kwedu, we become an extended family. So extended families, they are big families. Okay. Then let us go to something we have to conscientize you on. Let us talk about something which is deeper and saddening. We have what are called child-headed family. Saka vabereki vanenge vashaika kana kuti pane zvinenge zvaitika kuti vasava padhuze nevana vavo, vana votanga kuzvichengeta vega. This is what a child-headed family is. A child-headed family is a family where in some cases the parents have passed away and the children take care of each other. So we are talking about a family where the children take care of each other. Saka vana anovachengeta, havasi kugara nehama kana kuti kudini, vari kugara vega. That is a child-headed family. Usually happens kana vabereki vashaika, hama dzova dzaramba vana. As you can see, the bigger sister is taking care of the little brother. So this is very sad, and we don't expect this in the society, but it happens. The other case, which is also very common, is a single parent family. So what is a single parent family? When we talk about a single parent family is a family where only one parent, so it's only one parent, is present to take care of the children. A family where only one parent is available or present to take care of children. That is what a single parent family is. Zviuya zvinowanikwa. You might have cases where the father passed on or the mother passed on. So you are only left in the care of the mother or the care of the father. Amai kana baba vashaika, musora mungori naamai chete kana kuti nababa chete. Mutanga kuchengetwa nababa kana kuti amai chete. ndo inonzi single parent family. Kana kuti amai nababa vanenge vakarambana, musara muchichengetwa naamai kana kuti nababa chete. So tine muenzaniso watapiwa pano. You can see this is a single mother taking care of her child. So that is it. Number 7, blended family. So what is a blended family? When we talk about a blended family, we are talking about a family where two parents have children from previous relationships. So two parents have children from previous relationships and they all live together. Blended family. A family where parents have children from previous relationships. So let me explain what could have happened here. What could have happened is you are living together, but your mother, right, has children from a previous relationship, the father has children from a previous relationship, wamasanganiswa pamwe chete. Saka baba vakambenge vakaroorana nomwe mukadzi, amai vakambenge vakaroorwa nomwe murume. Ndokubva zviitiko zvikaitika kwavaiva vakaroorwa, zvekuti amai vakazosangana nababa, asi amai vaiva nevana vavo, baba vaiva futi nevana vavo, vakasangana vakava mhuri imwe chete. So that is what is called a blended family. Let us discuss these activities. Draw a picture of your family and label each person. So let me draw a picture of my family and label each person. But I will not do that. Draw a picture of your own family and label each person. Draw your father, draw your mother, draw your brother, your sister, draw yourself and label them. Then write a short story about a child-headed family and how they take care of each other. Munharaunda munogona kunge musingazive kuti pane a child-headed family. So you are tasked to write a short story about a child-headed family and how they take care of each other. Create a diagram showing the different types of families. So maybe we might help each other there. Let us just summarize what we have learned. Chekutanga, tadzidza inonzi a nuclear family. Taona kuti nuclear family inenge ine two parents plus children and ndozvatadzidza. Ndokuona kuti nuclear family yakafanana nechi inonzi monogamous family, where we also have two parents plus children. Okay. Tichibva ipapa taona kuti kune inonzi polygamous family, yekuti inenge ine more than two parents. Zvinoitika sei? Baba vanenge varoora vakadzi vakawanda, saka munenge muina ana mai nini nana mai guru, more than two parents plus children. Tichibva apa tava taenda kuchi? Tichibva pa polygamous family tava taenda ku child headed family. Yataona kuti patorina vabereki kana hama, 0 parents plus pangori nema siblings, vakoma nevanin'ina vari kuchengetana pachavo. Tichibva apa tava tazoenda kuchi? Ku single parent family. Yataona kuti we only have one parent, vanogona kuva mai, vanogona kuva baba plus children. tazopedzisira neblended family yataona kuti baba vane vana vavo, amai vane vana vavo vavakabva navo previous relationship. Asi amai nababa ava vanogona kuita futi vana pamwe chete kuitira kuti ingova mhuri one yakakura. Saka panapa tine 2 parents plus children. Asi mofanirwa kugona kutsanangura kuti children ava vanenge vachibva kuma previous relationships. So these are the types of different families we have learned. Exercise 1.3. What is a single parent family? So pa single parent family tenge tichida kuti mubuditse kuti it's a family with one parent and children. Saka family with one parent and children. Then what is a polygamous family? Family with, or a family where can pese kunyorera pasi kuno, a husband marries many wives or a father marries many wives. That's a polygamous family. Then Swazwason's name one challenge faced by a child-headed family. Children do not go to work, so they have financial problems. They can suffer from starvation. They can be taken advantage of in the society. So there are many challenges faced by children in a child-headed family. You have to list them. You have to ask your parents for clarity and you list them.